To set up parental controls on POCO M8 Pro 5G, let's start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and enter additional settings. Scroll down again until you find parental controls right here, and then make sure to agree to everything that will pop up. Now we can turn on our parental controls, and here we need to create the parental controls password that we'll use to access its features. So in this case, I'm gonna go for something like this and then draw the pattern again to confirm it. Now we'll use this password. You can enter the parental controls email address and then retrieve the code right here to help you recover the password if you forgot it. I'm gonna click on Not Now. Then you can select which apps will be managed in parental controls. So choose whichever apps right here, but you'll be able to do it also but later. Click on Done, and that way you can see all of the apps right here. Just manage those apps, which ones you want to have parental controls for, and then when it's done, you can go back, and now all of those apps will have password on it. So if you try to access one of those apps, it will ask you for this password to enter it, and that's how parental controls work on this device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.